When making measurements, one must always be aware of the consistency and accuracy of the measurements. Consistency is an ability of a measuring instrument to give readings with very small deviation, or no deviation from the mean value. Consider two sets of gunshots on a target. Results A are closely clustered together. It shows that repeated measurements give very small deviation. We say that the measurements are consistent. Consistency of a measuring instrument can be improved by taking a reading with caution, eliminating parallax errors, using the instrument which is not defective. Accuracy is an ability of a measuring instrument to give readings nearest or almost equal to the actual value. Consider the gunshots on a target. The center of the target represents the actual value of the quantity to be measured. The nearer the measurement to the actual value, we say the measurement is more accurate. The accuracy of a measurement can be improved by using the measuring instrument with a higher sensitivity, taking several readings of the same quantity, and subsequently obtaining the average value. Avoiding parallax error, that is error due to the incorrect positioning of the eye. Taking into consideration zero error, that is present in the instruments, such as the vernier calipers and the micrometer screw gauge. Readjust the pointer of the instrument to eliminate zero error.
We got Washington Capitals superstar Alexander Ovechkin here on ESPN campus, and we're going to test his shooting accuracy by filling up these Russian dolls with Russian dressing, and he's going to drill them with these hockey pucks.
I'm glad I'm not the one of the dolls.
Oh. Whoa! Did you get that right corner, last one standing?
I don't know about that one.
Sensitivity is an ability of a measuring instrument to detect a very small changes in the quantity being measured. The smaller the minimum scale division, the more sensitive is the measuring instrument. The following table shows the sensitivity of various instruments.